Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, in this lecture we will discuss when we change a direct sentence into a indirect form, then if there is a modal, if the modals are used in direct sentences, direct speech, then how these modals are changed in indirect speech. So indirect speech for sentences having modals, that is can, may, must, should, ought to. Okay. For example, first let's talk about can. Can किस तरह change होता है? Can changes into could. Okay. For example, he said I can drive a car. He said that he could drive a car. Next, she said he can play a violin. She said that he could play a violin. So this is how can changes into could. Now let's see may. May changes into might. For example, he said I may buy a computer. He said that he might buy a computer. She said he may visit a doctor. She said that he might visit a doctor. So that you can see. Now next, must. Okay, must changes into had to. That you need to remember, very important, because this is a very common mistake that is committed while changing direct into indirect speech. So if there is must in direct speech, then it changes into had to. For example, he said I must work hard. He said that he had to work hard. She said they must carry on their work. She said that they had to carry on their work. So in this way must changes. Now there are few modals which do not change when a sentence is changed from direct to indirect speech. They remain as it is. For example, would, could, might, should, and ought to. Now these are the few modals which do not change. For example, they said we would apply for a visa. So they said that they would apply for a visa simply. Okay. She said he could play a piano. She said that she could play a piano. Okay. So simply there is no change, as you can see, when the sentence is changed from direct to indirect speech. Now if there is might, he said guest might comes. He said that guests might come. Same. The sentence will simply, it will remain same. She said it might rain. She said that it might rain. Should का देखते हैं example. He said I should avail the opportunity. He said that he should avail the opportunity. Only the pronoun will change accordingly. Otherwise, there is no change in the sentence. She said I should help him. She said that she should help him. Okay. Ought to. She said to me, you ought to wait for him. She said to me that I ought to wait for him. So you changes into I. She said I ought to learn method to study. She said that she ought to learn method of study. Okay, so this is about ought to. These are the few modals which we have seen. The one which changes in indirect speech, and there were few which do not change in indirect speech. So this is all about the usage of modals. Thank you everybody.